Good morning, future millionaires. My name is Mr. Crypto. Welcome to today's edition of CNN Network. Here at CNN, we're bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency news, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So, guys, if you like what you see, please smash that like button and subscribe. Turn on all your notifications for all latest news. So, with all that being said, let's get going. Okay. Hope you're feeling well and good out there, people. Alright, let's get straight into it today. No messing about. You've had a good week of it, having a little retracement. Market cap, we've got 2.38 trillion. We'll be going over more of that later on. That's what today's edition is about. It's about the rise in the market cap. The market cap when we took the dip back in May was 2.5. So this is what we've been struggling to get back towards, and we are finally nearly there. We've got a 24-hour volume of 180. That's very good. The Bitcoin dominance is very strong right now. So if you are holding altcoins, you will be seeing a dip in your altcoins. Do not be dissuaded by that. That is just because there is only a certain amount of money in the market. So if Bitcoin is the main one on people's radar, it will take most of the liquidity in the market. As this goes down, you'll see the altcoins taking more of the market share. But at the moment, Bitcoin is taking most of it. At the peak of the market, this usually maybe even gets to 50. So this is nothing at the moment. But as this goes down to around 38, 39, 40s, you will start to see an increase in your altcoins. So don't worry, it's not the altcoins that are crashing. It's because Bitcoin is taking most of the market share. So just remember that. And just remember, there's 9,575 coins in this market. So just remember, there's a lot of coins taking a lot of that money. Yeah, this, in my opinion, needs to come down a lot more for crypto to become successful. Can you imagine how many rubbish coins there are in this? Like, it's only really the top 100 which are the ones with use case. After you get past the top 100, it starts to get really sketchy. Look, there's 96 pages of coins. So remember, there's a lot of shit out there. Don't waste your money. These are the ones that you want to be interested in, generally the top 100 to 150. Just a little quick one there. Right, so yeah, the top 10 Bitcoins had a little retracement. It's all had a little retracement in the 24 hours, but that's because we've flown up so high recently. This is the main one you want to watch. As long as this stays up, everything's all good. Actually, let's have a little refreshment on that. I haven't refreshed this for a while. Okay, right, so we're at 54,024. Not too bad. But yeah, this is the main thing. We want to keep this market cap above a trillion. That's a main factor. But yeah, everything is doing well. Even though we've had a little bit of a retracement, look at this 7 day. The 7 days is what you want to look at, basically. We'll go over a little bit more of this. This is a bit of a fad. If you've been watching the channel, you'll know that this is very speculative. Look at that, it's gone parabolic. So yeah, be careful of the Shibu. But yeah, everything else is doing fairly well at the moment. So this is the time you want to be in, people. This isn't the time you want to sell. Remember that. Right, so let's start with crypto market in green, with capitalization tapping monthly high at 2.3 trillion. On Thursday morning, cryptocurrency market stayed in green, briefly reaching a monthly high of 2.3 trillion. It's the most since September the 7th, precisely 1 month ago. Currently, the total value of cryptocurrency market is 2.28 trillion, representing a 4.57 rise over the previous day. Furthermore, the overall crypto market volume over the past 24 hours has increased by 144.33 billion, reflecting a 13.67 increase. Meanwhile, DeFi 24-hour volume is 12.72 of the overall crypto market, whereas the stablecoins currencies combined volume is 113.4 billion, or 78. So the price of Bitcoin in comparison of Thursday morning, the price of Bitcoin has stabilized beneath the 55,000 mark, stretching the gains on Tuesday and Wednesday to a new high. Currently, the flagship digital asset is trading at 54,119. Yeah, well, you saw that just changed down, but yeah, up 5.35 in the last 24 hours and 25.99 in the previous 7 days. You can see we've had a quite big surge now. This is what was predicted for the continuation of the bull run. A lot of people were bearish on it, saying it was going to go down and it was going to be a dead cat bounce. But if you knew what you were buying in, you will know that it was only going to go one way. In fact, the cryptocurrency is roughly around 11,000 away from reaching its all-time high. See, that's very important, $11,000 away. So after it hits that $11,000 away, that's it. It's going to go to the moon because it's all predicted for 100,000 plus this year. And if BTC continues to make similar gains over the next 7 days as it did over the previous week, it may be soon trading once again near the all-time price of 64,863. It reached in April the 14th. So that's how long we've been waiting. People have been waiting over April, May, June, July, August, September. About 6 months we've been waiting. Additionally, the second largest crypto market cap, Ethereum, has also traded in the green. The DeFi network is trading at 3.5, up 5.56 in a 24-hour. So we're all going up again. So this is a very good example. This is what you want to see. You want to see the staircase. You either want to see it going like this, up, or a nice slow diagonal. So this is all good. Just a quick bit on Shiba at the moment, just to let you guys know where you are. You've probably heard about it at the moment, but this is just, I couldn't really leave it out for all you Shiba lovers. I'm not really an investor in Shiba. I think it's a pump and dump, but a lot of people have become rich with it. But I think right at the moment, to come in now would be a bit of a risk. So Shiba Inu flips Uniswap and Avalanche with 50% daily surge. SHIB price surged 368 over the past week. Shibu Inu market cap is larger than Uni, AVAX, Litecoin and Link. It is now larger than Binance's stablecoin BUSD with a market cap of just under 15 billion according to CoinGecko. Prices lifted off in late US trading when they were hovering around 0.000225. They surged to top up at 0.000336 during the morning of October the 7th. So the Shiba market cap is now larger than that of Uniswap, Avalanche and Litecoin and Chainlink. It is not the highest doggy meme token there has ever been. However, it has hit an all-time high of 0.000379 on May the 10th. The move has made it into the mainstream, with Bloomberg attributing to the Shiba frenzy to an Elon Musk tweet earlier this week of his puppy Floki, which is a breed of Japanese hunting dog. So it's all speculation, it's all meme. The only good thing about Shiba, I must say, is that they are building an actual DEX, a decentralized exchange. So you can stake your coins, you can swap them, you can buy something they've called Bone and Leash. So they've got a quite good ecosystem getting built. It's more than Dogecoin, where it's just a picture of a dog and it doesn't really do anything. So if you do your research on Shibu, you will find out that they are trying to increase the ecosystem, and they are actually trying to do something as opposed to Dogecoin doing nothing. So yes, it is a speculative coin, and if you do see here, there's 500 quadrillion tokens. Now, if you know about tokenomics and you know about market cap, you'll know that this is very unlikely to reach even a penny. It would have to have a market cap of around $1 trillion, and that's the whole market cap of Bitcoin, which I outlined today. So if you know about tokenomics and you do your maths, you'll realize that this can't go much higher. It really is a pump and dump coin. I'm not saying that there's no money to be made in there, but just don't underestimate the power of tokenomics, where you can find out how much a coin's actual worth. You just times the market cap by the price. But yeah, we'll see. We'll keep an eye on this. So here's just a quick outlook of where we are in the market. You are used to seeing this one, but it is a bit of a mess right now. So I've simplified it for you, so you guys can just see in a more simple form. This is where we was in May. This is the Elon Musk dump, which triggered the bottom of the market, and then we stayed along there for a while. And here's where we triggered the reversal of the market. And this is the wedge which we've just broken out of, which has confirmed our rise to all-time highs. This is where we're trying to get back to. So as you can see right now, we are about 19% away from all-time highs, which is nothing. You can see from here on the RSI from January, we've been going steadily down. steadily down on the RSI, all the way down. So if you had kept an eye on this, you would have realised that it was due to pop out soon and we were losing strength. Here you can see where we bottomed out, right on the RSI there. We tried to break up, we couldn't, and then we finally popped out on July the 20th. And we haven't been back in there ever since, so we've done good. And now we're going back up to the top. As you can see, we've respected this trend line for quite a while now, and we've bounced off it there, and we've broken the resistance here. So let's have a quick look on the fibs for our target. Alright, so we've got a target now of yeah, see, there we go, bang on, around 96. Remember we were saying 100,000. This is the highest we'll probably get to on this wave. According to this wave here, this Fibonacci wave, we're going to get to 96. Not straight away, obviously. We'll be bouncing down, knocking around and stuff, but that's where the technical target is leading us towards. So keep an eye on this, people. Right now, let's go on the 1 hour. We'll wrap this up in a second. Right, on the 1 hour, looks like we're looking for some support. We'll probably bounce off this line here. So if you're looking to come into the market, here is a good level. If you see it, the RSI hit here, there's a more likely chance that we'll bounce up again. We're in between the MA20 and the MA50, which are very good indicators. It usually does bounce off. As you can see, when we're above it, we bounce. But when we get below it, we're looking to be supported by this other one, the 50. If you go on the 4 hour, you can see we haven't even touched it yet, but it's a good example of the bounce. As soon as it hits it, bounces again. So this, I'm predicting that this will come up here, and hopefully you'll get the bounce off there for the continuation. That's what we're hoping. Yeah. So yeah, if you found today informative, please leave a like and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We keep it nice and simple here at CNN, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye bye.